We are here. We've been counted in for this season to make a change, to make a difference. You know, I want to share to you one word first before I go to encourage Moms Rebecca. I have a word for you and your beautiful mothers there to just keep you guys have faith and jump in. But my word today, this afternoon, to all of us is, back then, remember, I want to tell the story of Noah. I found something so interesting. You know, in the days of Noah, there were giants in the land. There were giants in the land, literally giants. And they were trying to control the world and dictate the world, but they were doing it in a very wicked, evil, degrading. It was really corrupting, and it was so violent that it took the attention of God, and God said, enough is enough. I better find one man. I better find one man on the earth that can change the system, that can change, because I cannot work with corruption. I cannot work when there is evil. You know, the Bible says that corruption, it was too evil, that God regretted that he created man. And when I read that scripture, I was so, this is just recently, just I think a couple of days ago, and it just dawned on my mind. It was like, wow, it's so real that this world is right now run by giants. We have giants running the world, and they're doing it in a very corrupting, evil, wicked, and violent way. You see, there's all this COVID and all these things that are coming. It's coming out of the minds of giants. But I'm so thankful that in this season, God has found a man. He said, Noah, I can see that you are a righteous man. Even in the midst of corruption and evil and violence and all these giants trying to rule and control the world and build a tower up so they can influence their world, God found a man, and that man is Eshmufara. I was sick. When I found this revelation, I tell all the sickness and COVID and everything just had to leave my system, because I am not part of the corruption. I am not the part of the giants that are creating havoc right now on the face of the earth. We are part of a generation that's going to bring correction to every corruption that is out there. So, awesome now, Mama. This is business on passive. I'm not deal to solve one time how you can come in and make money. This is money side. I'm come happiness. You kiss happiness. Or some you will appear and just talk or something. Money side you dream and you all happiness. This business, it's dealing with human lives, human value, community transformation. How we can literally take back our resources, take back our people from the ends of poverty, corruption, evil governments that are literally corrupting our nation, like Mati, the godfather of One Passive Nation, PNG, has said. He read about PNG, and PNG is a very rich country. That is so true. Mati, you don't need to tell us that. We know it. We are born here. We are born out of this richness. It's in our blood. It's in our head. We know it. But we are not holding on to the riches. We are not holding into the resources. We are not part of this economic wealth that is here in this nation. It's like we see the wealth, but the wealth is driven out. It's been going offshore. It's been exported out of this land. It's like we dream of a better PNG, but when we see a breakthrough, every wealth that comes with that breakthrough, it seems like a door has opened somewhere that has caused a leak out. But not anymore. Not anymore, PNG. I tell you, I miss all of you. I miss my pops and my moms. Becca, Madam, when I kind way, as another anti-person in a scheme, I no got money, so how can me register? Mila make one strong talk click this like kind ting. And this like kind ting that's all I'm robbing you, me papa, you me sit down, no got something come up. Me like joining that's all me no got. This like kind ting by me rouse him now. Rouse him. When is something you got? 5 kina you got there. Buy one something and make him market. 10 kina you got there. Make him click market. Start small. No can talk me no got money. One by 20 kina you got there. Buy one by little something. Lolly and start on them lolly. Start one time lolly. Buy packet of lolly. Give you a picnic brain a carrigal skin and talk my market click. Talk him start there. Time you start when you attract him, man will support him you. Time you know that now you talk. You make your man think two blood, three blood time. Me plus support you now. No good, but you fail tomorrow. No good, you back on me plan tomorrow. You know one kind vision, one kind dreamer, no same me plan. Me like him, you me think of same. Time you like think of same. You know God, you think of same. When it's something me can make him because Papa Nikini, we don't need money to start business. That's the truth. In PNG, we don't need money to start business because if you walk down that river, you're going to see some nice, beautiful greens that you can just harvest and take it to the market, and you're already making $10. 10 US dollars, 20 US dollars, and money, and why you start there. No can talk about me no got money, and me no one time by me start. No, you have it. You don't need money to start business, start a market in PNG. No. This is the kind of mindset that has drained us over the years, has caused us to live in poverty, has caused us to really degrade. Our lives are just going down. I want us to change our mindset because God sees that there are giants that are ruling the world, but God is about to judge these giants. You can sit in the news right now. You can sit in the flood, in the fire that's happening in Europe, in the floods that are happening in China. You can sit in the people that are coming out and that are calling a rally right now in France, that are sitting down. Doctors are coming out and they're saying enough is enough of these lies of the giants. We have to cause a change. Do something. It's happening, people. And I tell you, On Passive will launch at a time that it will cause a flood on the earth. When this flood comes, it's not going to drown the righteous. This flood of unpassive is not going to drown the good people with vision to change the world. This flood that is going to come, unpassive will cause a flood that will raise humanity. That will raise people who are full of passion and power. That will raise people who wants to go and cause change in the world. My women and my mothers, I'm appealing to you. Whatever you need to do. I am a woman of God. I'm a pastor. And I come into this business because I see God is at work. I'm crying because I am all for change. I am all for national transformation. I am all for take back PNG. Come on, we cannot let our country go down to the hands of corruption. We cannot let our country go down to the hands of violence. We cannot let our corruption go down to the hands of gender-based violence. Come on. Come on. I tell you, people with money are doing these things. They have money, that's why they are funding all these things that is evil and wicked in their heart. It's evil intention. But how about if now we come into unpassive? Some people, I said, I don't want to talk to you anymore. Just go and buy the position. Stop asking me questions. Don't ask me, just come in. Like Freddie said, we've done the research. We've been there from the beginning till now. Papa Nigini, no need you ask him question. Not gonna ask you question, you just come inside. Okay, Harim. All mama. Good plan news want them on passive and me all same. When you come in, when you find that $97, time you find him this la 400 kina. Now you come inside. This la 400 kina, you buy this la founder position here, and one plus time, and you come a founder now. Because one plus time can before the company launch now, open him door up long, I'm going outside world, or come inside and make a business want the company now. But you may all get a founder around the world. You may all get a, but you must find him can one plus around $100 now, $250 US. Buy me find him this la money now, buy me holy me stop. Now buy me bank company lo work lo you me. Okay, Bossman CEO, Mr. Ash Mufara, MSAWSM, can country or some nibla lo Papua New Guinea. Money blow me na currency blow me power blow me tamblo. So Emi talk, everybody giving you me time. Maybe 2 weeks, maybe one moon. Lo find him this la money na. Buy this la first month subscription by you one time that's all. So you know can think plenty awesome. Me buy $97 na. This like $250 for little remember also in him. No God. Because Bossman CEO, Bell Blongem, the heart of the CEO is too big. It's too big. It's too big for Papua New Guinea. That's why he said, am I giving you enough time? Enough time for you to be able to buy, to find that money, make him sales, no can stop the market. Market must go yet, walk must go yet, no can stop. You buy stop the walk time on passive lunch, but you na me stop. Now yet no can stop the walk. You must walk the piney money. All the founders you hurry stop. No can sit down and go to sleep. Save. This la talk plus savings in now, Miss Talk. Day one time people in webinar, Miss stress to this la talk plus saving money. Every founders in PNG you must save. I always emphasize on this. I said you have to save for your first month subscription. The next one and the next one will be history. You don't have to worry about it. So now, while on passive is not yet in hard launch, we have to work. It means that we must go to market, make some money, save some for household responsibilities. A little bit goes to your on passive first month payment plus subscription. Plus you save. PNG grow now, you know. I got a hanimba. Open him, yaw, blah, you blah. I blah, you blah. Save. Hurry me good now, saving money. We don't want last minute and heart attack will get you because you're going to see your wallet and you're going to like, oh my God, I can see $1,000 in there, but debate na mi blah flow, yeah? Same speed, yeah? Awesome now. Mila token lo Mother Rebecca. Thank you, La Belle. Your heart is connected with the vision of OnPassive, and that's the way it's gonna be in Papua New Guinea. Putlan na mi talk you blah. Amas weeks mi no come. So Larry, me 10 o'clock now night. We're gonna finish at 10 p.m. You guys from America, you able to stay till 10 p.m. PNG time? Maybe not. I'm just joking. Love you guys. I want to say, save your money. That's why, Auntie Rebecca, listen. Daniel, leader man, good for work you work in. Thank you. You put him awesome and get all the women in so they can share their heart. Thank you so much. Tell them we have to still work and make some money and save it now for our first month subscription. Nobody wants to be left behind. It's your eye. In my language, we say minisik. It means your eyeballs. When your eyeballs is open and you see your dollars in your spending wallet, whatever it is called,
you will faint.
You will be in the glory land. You will have no time to talk to prospects or whoever that is interested to come in as a reseller or customer. We will have no time for that. I will tell them, just go. I want to go to heaven.